Hello, degenerate gamblers and traders. This is Beast McFeast with another hot stock review. The metals company, TMC, has been discussed widely on the internet for the past few days. And why is that? Well, TMC, formerly Deep Green Metals, combined with the SPAC SOAC and was recently listed. Before we get started, though, I want to be clear. I'm not a financial advisor, and I do not endorse any specific investments, tickers, or investment strategies. Investing involves risk, and you should know your risk tolerance. And it's important to note, investing is not a team sport. Diamond hands hold bags, and pigs get slaughtered. So what has TMC been doing? Well, we don't have a long history on it because it was de-SPACed on September 10th. Since then, it has swung pretty wildly in the $9 to $13 range. Just for context, this chart covers its entire existence in 2-hour increments. You can see it dropping from $13 to $9 in just over one trading day. What does TMC do? Technically mining. Really though, they're just going to vacuum up big metal nuggets off the ocean floor in an area called the abyssal zone. It's about 2 to 3 miles deep. These nuggets, which are pictured here in the center of the screen, are called polymetallic nodules, and they contain nickel, copper, manganese, cobalt, maybe some other stuff like gold, diamonds, unobtainium. I don't know. And they're just chilling on the top 2 inches of the ocean floor. And TMC plans to use this Roomba-looking thing, shown at the top left, to vacuum them up. These potato-sized nuggets are just sitting there, ready to be picked up and turned into electric vehicle batteries. That's right. This is a future electric vehicle play. TMC wants to be the newest supplier of rare earth metals for electric vehicles. Will this be a green energy boon or an environmental disaster? I don't know. So why the hype? Right now, there are only 30 million shares. Additional shares are in lockup, and I have posted their release schedule on the right. So how do we read this? The share price has to exceed the strike for 20 out of 30 trading days to be released. When they exceed that strike, the number of shares listed there will be released to dilute this. Apparently, the de-SPAC price was anticipated to be higher, but some promised investors backed out their $300 million in capital. TMC is not too thrilled with this and is having their lawyers contact the investors' lawyers and sort it out. This won't be sorted out anytime soon. TMC anticipates large-scale production to begin in 2024 and EBITDA to be $2 billion in 2027. To me, this seems like the type of thing that might get delayed because they're talking about building giant underwater vacuums. It look like some sci-fi stuff, but I don't know. Maybe they've got it figured out. So how am I playing this? Well, take a minute and think about what you might do. Go ahead and post it in the comments. It might be different than what I'm going to do, and you might be right. I'm going to get some popcorn and sit this one out, at least in the short term. Their business plan is far from large-scale implementation, and retail seems to be pumping up a low-float stock, which will result in bag holders. Later, when the lockups start being released, I might take a bearish position prior to that release, because it's essentially scheduled dilution. It might be an easy play. Or I could be totally wrong. I have no interest in a serious long-term position in this at this time. Thank you for watching. Please leave any questions or ticker recommendations in the comments. Good luck. Get rich. Bye.